it has less space. I try to use a container, and one pattern that I follow is no border radius. It's not necessary that you have to know the design system designing and all. Hi everyone, in this video I'll try to show you or teach you how you can improve your UI while having a good UI. So let's jump into the video. So this one of my project called UI Layers Pro, and the design looks good. As you can see, it has a title. This is the product title, buttons for the website builder. For the blocks we have another button, and this is the preview of website builder, and it has some scrolling effect. And if you scroll down, you'll see the blocks, and then the template, then the testimonial or feedback you can say, and the pricing, FAQ, and the footer. So there's nothing wrong with the design, but yeah, we can improve it. We can still improve the design. So first things, we have the title, but the title is bit longer, and the font we have to change it because my original product is like UI layouts, and the font we have is Poppins, but we are using different font over here. So since this is a pro version of this product, it should be sync. The design should be sync as well. And there's no direct link button to purchase, so user have to go to the pricing section and then have to purchase it. And the template builder preview, we just have the screenshot, which basically the OG image that I create, and it's not saying anything how you will create the template, how it basically work, how does the preview look like, how you can export the template, right? So it should be better if we can put a video over here. And if I scroll down, the blocks looks great, but this block should be over here in the hero section, so that whenever anyone go to the page, they can directly see and visualize, okay, this is the place where they can buy template and blocks as well, right? And if I scroll more, the template looks great, but the design is not synced. It just so many space over here. So after that, so this the like a whole problem of this design, but the design looks great, the color and all. So how I fix it? If I just go to the ProUILayouts.com, as you can see, this is the base UI base product, which is open source component library, and this is the pro product, and the design is sync. Did you see? And now we change the title. The fastest way to build and ship modern website, a clean titles that everyone will understand. We have the pricing button over here, and this is the blocks button, and what we can do, if you click on that, it basically take you to the pricing section, this one. But what we can do is instead of taking you to the pricing section, it will basically open the link for purchase. And we have the preview over here, the blocks, template, and it looks like whenever you go to the page, you can see the landing pages, the blocks I have, the premium blocks I have. So you can already get an idea about the product. So, and if you scroll down, there's some details what basically this ProUILayouts.com means, and this is the template preview. Did you see? It basically a video and showing everything, okay, you can create templates, you can view templates, right? And you can also download template. And this is the blocks I have, and this is the template right now, and this is the comparison basically, what UI layouts are giving you and what others are giving you. So if you see other pages like blocks, templates, so all the pages I have redesigned it, it has less space. So if I go to the previous design, did you see there's so many space over here? So I try to use a container with this pattern so that it looks nice, but we do have space over here. Maybe we can use it in future for marketing purpose, like we did in blogs. If I click on that, you'll see we have 50% off banner, so we can maybe use it over here. Okay, and this is the builder, and one pattern that I follow is no border radius. So in previous design we have border radius and in every single pages, I mean, wherever you go you see border radius, but in this design we don't have any border radius, and we have pattern. So try to pick a design system that you want. It's not necessary that you have to know the design system designing and all. Just try to follow a design system, maybe gradient, maybe what it called a new brutalism or something, new brutalism, maybe, yeah, new brutalism, yeah. Try to follow that also. This is also a unique design system, everybody using it right now. So it's up to you. And one thing I want to point out, try to put more and more details in the hero section. So my product is basically selling template and blocks, so I try to put blocks and template in the hero section, so whenever anyone come to the website, they will see the actual product, what exactly it is, right? So that's it guys, hope you find it useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.